Welcome children, welcome to my geography class today. Lesson for the day is the Northern Plains. As we travel south from the Shivaliks, we reach a vast region of flat land known as the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains are low-lying, leveled areas located in between the Himalayas and the Peninsula Plateau. From the west to the east, the Northern Plains extend over Punjab, Haryana, eastern Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Rivers carry down sediments from the mountains. When these rivers, along with their tributaries, flood the plains, sediments called silts or alluvium are spread over the land on either side. Over a period of time, vast plains of fertile alluvium are formed. The main rivers have several tributaries or small rivers joining them. An area watered by the rivers and its tributaries is called a basin. The Northern Plains can be divided into three basins, which are the Satluj Basin, the Ganga Basin, and the Brahmaputra Basin. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation. This is the reason for high population in these plains. The rivers do not dry up in the summers as they get water from the melting snow. They are known as perennial rivers. Sundarbans Delta. Sundarbans Delta is the largest delta in the world. Found in India, it is made with deposits of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river. Climate. In the summers in the plains are hot, while the winters are usually cold and dry. The rainy seasons last from June to September. Heavy rainfall occurs here due to the wind from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal known as the monsoon winds. While blowing northwards, the winds are blocked by the Himalayas and forced to shed rain. This type of climate is known as the tropical monsoon climate. A unique feature of the climate of the plains is blowing of a hot, dry and dusty wind called Lu during the day in summers. The hot and humid climate of the northern plains is extremely suitable for the growth of trees and plants. Several varieties of crops along with cash crops are grown in these fertile lands. Crops grown in this region are wheat, rice, pulses, cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds and jute. Many cities such as Haridwar, Lucknow, Varanasi, Allahabad and Patna have developed these plains. Fertile soil, perennial rivers and a suitable climate make the plains an ideal place for human settlement. The flat land makes it easy to build houses, roads and also set up railway tracks. The plains are the food bowl of India. The fertile alluvial soil and the adequate rainfall allows farmers to grow plenty of crops, which can feed the large Indian population. The perennial rivers provide water during the dry season, and since these rivers do not dry, they can be used for production of hydroelectric power throughout the year. Overcrowding of the northern plains is causing a lot of problems. Large amount of poisonous waste from the domestic, agricultural and industrial sectors are deposited into the rivers of the northern plains. The river water cannot be used for drinking or irrigation without purification. Overcultivation. When farmers grow too many crops in a year, the soil begins to lose its fertility. The farmers then use chemical fertilizers to make the soil fertile once again, which causes further damage. We must realize that the northern plains are natural wealth of the nation and should be preserved so that we continue to be beneficial. We should not pollute the water of the rivers that form these plains and continue to feed them. We must protect the soil that provides us with food which keeps us healthy. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, children.